So today I'm going to be teaching you the fundamentals. Keyword is fun. You want to have fun with whatever you do. You'll dive deeper and you'll enjoy the experience so much more. Another thing to note is that these things are going to take time. No one is giving you your instrument, you are creating it. So the more effort you put into it, the more time you put into it, the better it will sound. It wouldn't be worth it if it was easy. So take your time and really put in that work. Practice, 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 practice. Practice, practice. So with that, let's have fun and let's start. Now, the first sound we're going to learn is the kick. You want to start by saying any word with the letter B. Boom, beatbox, Beethoven. Now what you want to do is not vocalize it and focus on releasing the pressure from the center of your mouth. Boom, beatbox, Beethoven. Right? That easy. Second sound is going to be the snare. You want to say any word with a hard letter K or a hard letter C. Car, cat, kangaroo. Again, what you want to do is not vocalize it and then focus on that pressure. This is going to be coming from the back of your throat or in between your molars. Car, kangaroo, cat. The last sound we're going to learn is the hi-hat. You want to say anything with the letter T, like towel, take, or tennis. Again, you want to not vocalize it and just focus the pressure on the tip of your tongue. That was easy. Now that you know the fundamentals of beatboxing, you just got to practice, practice, practice. So remember to just have fun, let go, and let the beat take you. Hope you have a great day. So, surprise! This sound is actually really simple and easy to do. Let me explain. This is your mouth, right? That's your teeth right there. You suspend your tongue, and then you just hit the floor of your mouth. But that's pretty much it. Now, I will say one thing. This sound will take a little while to develop. Think of it like the gym, you know? You're lifting weights. Every one of these is a rep. So every time you do it, you get better. It's not gonna sound like out of the gate. It's probably gonna sound like for a good while. But once you do get it down, you can change the shape of your mouth to change how it sounds. Just keep on practicing it and it'll get a lot better real fast. See, that was easy. Well, thank you so much for watching my water sound effect tutorial. Just remember to have fun and practice. What's up everyone? It's your boy, Spencer X, and today we're learning the inward bass in 1 minute. Woo! Alright, so you know what time it is. We're gonna start the timer now. So first things first, disclaimer, this sound is really rough on the vocal cords. It's gonna take some time to develop, but just go slowly and drink lots of water. So this sound is called the inward bass, and for a good reason. It is a breathing technique. If I were to compare it to any other sound, I would say the throat bass. The reason for why I say this is because it's the exact same placement on the vocal cords. Just with inward bass, it's inward, and with throat bass, it's outward. What you're gonna wanna do is first breathe out, and then breathe in, kind of like you're gasping for air. You feel that vibration right there? That's where you're gonna wanna focus on. Tighten or loosen the vibration and change how it sounds. You can then change the shape of your mouth. Roy. What's up, everybody? And it's pretty much that simple. All right, and we're done. Surprisingly, the sound is actually very, very easy to learn. It just takes a lot of practice, a lot of dedication, and a lot of patience. What's up everyone? Today I'm teaching you how to beatbox the zipper sound in 1 minute. Alright, so today we're going to be learning the zipper sound. Now, to make the zipper sound, what you're going to do first is pucker your lips, like you're giving a kiss. Notice the sound that you make when you kiss. This sound is like that, just a little more extreme. You're inhaling air and the pressure of your lips are gonna create the sound. Now to get from to, you're gonna tighten the side of your lips and make the middle of your lips flexible. It's gonna kind of look like a half smile. Like you're kind of happy. What you want to do now is breathe in hard and fast, and then tighten your lips to increase the pitch of the sound. It should start off sounding like, but with enough practice, it'll sound like. And the last step to all of this is practice. Practice, practice, practice. What's up, world? It's your boy, Spencer X, and today we're learning how to beatbox the basic lip roll in 1 minute. All right, let's start this. The lip roll. Arguably the most sought after sound in all of beatboxing, and it's pretty easy to learn. Now the sound might look hard and sound crazy. It's a pretty cool sound, but let me explain. This sound is made solely out of the pressure dragged in from the side of your mouth. You see, when you kiss, you aren't using any air in your lungs. You aren't breathing it in, you're just using your lips in a way where the pressure makes the sound. So same thing with the lip roll. Just try kissing from the side of your mouth. It's gonna start off sounding like, but eventually you're gonna get to. So pick a side and drop your jaw a little. Think like a half grandma mouth. Hey, Sonny, what you got there? A little beatbox? But close it. Literally just mimic this. No breathing, just pressure, vibration, and just draw on that air. Ooh, see? It's that easy. What's up, everyone? My name is Spencer X, and today we're learning throat bass in 1 minute. Drop the bass. Let's begin. So firstly, what you want to do is just sigh deeply. You missed your bus. Mom ate your leftovers. Sigh so deeply, it's kind of like a low growl. So you feel that low rumble, pinpoint that vibration, and you're gonna wanna focus all your attention there. You're gonna sustain it with a constant stream of air, and then you're just gonna lock those vibrations into place. Even if you think it sucks, you're just learning this, and you're still gonna have to build that muscle. Now comes the best part. You can use different syllables, different phrases, or change the shape of your mouth, and it'll change the sound. You can just speak with it. You can sound like a robot. EDM. That's it. What up, world? Today we're learning lip bass. Alright, so the lip bass, or the lip oscillation. Fairly easy to learn and can be used in so many different ways. So let's start that timer. Step 1, relax your lips and blow air out of your mouth. Step 2, tighten your lips and build more pressure. That way you'll get a tighter vibration and a stronger oscillation. So go from to. You're gonna feel your lips vibrate and you're just gonna concentrate on that sound. You're looking for a clean, non-vocalized lip oscillation with a consistent tone. Pretty simple, right? You know what I'm saying? Step 3, combine this sound with a classic kick. There are so many different variations for this sound. You can use different letters like sh, s, to completely change the sound. Boom! That's it. Thank you so much for watching my lip bass tutorial. It might seem simple, but it could get a little tricky. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you like this video, smash that like button, give it a share, and don't forget to subscribe. Like always, have a great day. Go kill it out there and be your best self.